Welcome to Park Central, Kansas, your gateway to stylish spaces featuring stunning natural light and a perfect blend of historic charm and contemporary comfort. Take your pick from spacious studios and charming en-suites, unlocking function and flair with air conditioning and a fully renovated modular kitchen, equipped to fulfill all culinary needs. Plus, with a built-in microwave and dishwasher, adulting has never looked better. Step into your interior design debut. Whether you're into minimalist chill or maximalist chaos, this is your perfect blank canvas. Breeze through chores at the laundry center. There's a home for your wheels too with parking. Hit your reps at the gym. Perfect to fit intense workouts or make a splash with some laps in the swimming pool. Even your furry friends can enjoy this property with you. Primely located at East Armor Boulevard, you are a short drive away from University of Kansas and Rockhurst University. With bus stops nearby, traveling will be a breeze. Your blank canvas awaits. Book your spot at Park Central, Kansas now with amberstudent.com.